Welcome back once again. Today we will be doing something different. We'll be doing a political flyer. So let's start. I've already opened my Photoshop app and let's see. So let's say we are trying to create a new canvas. So you can name your creativity, your flyer, and also the size. The width is 736 and the height, let's say 895. Resolution is 300, which is very advisable, and you can use it. Is in pixels. So let's create it. Okay. Alright, so after creating it, let's try creating our layout. You understand? So I'll draw a rectangle on my canvas, then try and import the image. Alright. Alright, so after importing the image, okay, I'll then start to bring the logo. Since I'm using CMYK SRC, I'll try and import their logo, and I'll put all the resources in the description below. So I'll use the ruler tool to create some imaginary guidelines. So if you want to find it, you can go to view and go to rulers. You understand? Just click on it. You see, it will come. I understand. So yeah, after importing the logo, they have a main SRC logo, so I have to import that too. So I think I have to go to downloads and I'll import it too. Okay, so it is very nice. Understand? So I can even try and open it a little bit so that people wouldn't strain their eyes before they will be able to see. So after creating the logo, since I have created an impression, the person who I'm creating it for, even though I'm the same person here, the image is like mine here. So the person is an old candidate who got rejected in the last year's election, or couldn't win in the last year's elections. So I tried to use to tell a story, to project some idea by using the Adinkra symbol, which I have to download. So I'm using the Sankofa symbol. You understand? Okay, so after downloading it, now I'll try and place it now into my working space. Try rasterize it. Use quick action to remove the background. No. Okay, so I want to place it at the background of the image. So it is always advisable to, when you are designing a political flyer, you have to use the colors of the school. So I'll try and use the big color to choose the colors, and you know, you understand. So after I've created it, I can even duplicate it, bring it forward. You understand? I'll bring it in front to create some sense. So I'm creating a meaning. I'm communicating as a communication designer. Understand? You don't just design everything or anything. Your communication have to speak for them. So I've drew a rectangle. You see, I'm using the school logo, school colors from the logo. That's where branding starts from. Okay, so